Welcome back to another Wednesday follow-up. Today we're following up on this coin bank.
Coin bank!
The Means Woodshop coin bank. Look, Adam contributed.
I contributed.
You can access your money.
Got the purple fart on walnut.
That's not... What?
I don't know my woods.
It's Black Limba.
Oh!
Mm.
Excuse me.
What is this?
Oh!
No.
Maple cherry.
No, take it back to the bread box.
It's not pine.
It's not fun.
I don't know.
It's poplar.
Poplar.
Well, the live audience is enjoying the show. I'm getting toasty, man. We got the coin bank, and we were talking about doing upgrades to Thanksgiving dinner.
Mm-hmm.
You complained last time about rolls. Even getting tired of rolls.
Even getting tired of rolls.
So, roll is a dry bread. Flamin' Hot Cheetos are a dry bread-like thing.
Is it even is a Cheeto a bread? Do they use dough to make them?
I think Cheetos starts life as a paste. I don't think that it would qualify as a bread, but this is your good alternative to Thanksgiving rolls. Much more flavor. You don't have the butter, but you have the Flamin' Hot. So everybody seemed to like the coin bank, and I don't blame them. You know, one thing I didn't explain very good was how to make the slot for the coins to go through. And it's really easy. It's just a sandwich of, you got 2 pieces of 1/4-inch wood, 2 strips of 1/4-inch wood separated, about the distance of a quarter. And you just glue it together and you got a slot.
The coin comes out the other end?
Yeah, it goes into the box.
I thought it just disappeared.
No, it goes into
Wait,
the
you're
box.
keeping all of this money that I'm putting in here?
Yeah.
Shit, I've been making wishes and stuff. Better make all my dreams come true.
Heard from Luke freaking Fish, man.
Hello, Mr. Fish.
He said, you need to make a mallet that looks like Thor's hammer.
That'd be incredibly impractical. I don't think...
Cool box, but how do you stuff your gold bars into it? I have another box for gold bars.
I have a bowl for gold bars.
A bowl?
A bowl.
Like a walnut bowl?
Like a porcelain bowl.
Mmm. And from Michael Russell.
Mike Russ.
Simple, yet very nice. Now, I do realize that the hat probably looks a little goofy, because the puff is so big. The proportions are odd, but it had to be that way, otherwise it would have cut into the slots. But it had to, be big enough for like a quarter to go in there. So the proportions had to be weird. I wanted to do a cactus, honestly, because that's what I saw on Instagram that gave me the idea. It's freaking cool.
Ooh, cactus
Yeah,
man.
it's like, it's Steve I.
What's up, Steve I?
He really likes the purple heart. Makes things pop.
Yeah. It's purple. It's heart. It's wood. It works.
Harry H. What did you say? HTFG.
HTFG. That's Harry the fuck Gary.
Dude, he saw the Stormtrooper last time, and I don't remember being able to see it in the shot. He liked the project. He said, good place for Ben to put his money. He said, I assume you need a bigger money box for all the YouTube money we're going to make.
Oh.
No.
Not yet.
From the look of things, not yet. Gary replied to my secret comment. He said, yes, my son makes a ruckus when I'm about to go to sleep. Glad I'm not the only one. Speaking of sun ruckuses.
Sun ruckus.
See, and that's why we got the sun ruckus in the background, because this is real life, y'all.
Yeah.
We don't cut out the nitty gritty.
Sometimes you do.
You heard from Ace Hardware? Hey, he just got his nickname.
Ace Ace
Hardware. He's loving easy, simple projects so close to Christmas time. Yeah, good gift ideas.
Yeah.
I mean, this is really easy to make. It's like an afternoon.
It's better than an Axe body wash kit.
I don't know why, but I thought you were trying to put a hot Cheeto in there at first. Rubik's 1976. Belt sander stability. I thought you were trying the belt sander racing technique. I've seen the belt sander racing technique, and I do want to try it. Next time I'm in the shop, I'll do it.
Make sure Ben's there to watch.
Gary brings up Junior from time to time. You ain't seen Junior in a while, Gary.
Feedback. Do you think cats even prefer litter boxes, or do you think they would
No.
they just wish that it was just dirt?
I think they wish it was like anything but what it is. Dude, that was it for the coin bank, the first national bank of Means Woodshop.
Did Luke Silverfish have anything not serious to say?
No, he said the Thor's hammer thing. And then last Wednesday, we ate python jerky.
Woo-hoo.
And heard from Michael Collins.
Who's that?
I don't know, but he said, Big Mike here, great videos, guys. He said, miss you fools.
Thank you, M. Collins. I don't know if we've ever met before, but
We miss you.
we miss you as well.
I asked, what's your favorite dinner? You asked, what's your favorite liquor? Michael Collins likes vodka. Favorite meal is boiled crawfish.
Hell yeah.
I'm with you on the boiled crawfish. Jay Miss doesn't know what his favorite dinner is. He's in the same boat as you.
I mean,
Because he said, I freaking love food.
there's nothing wrong with loving food.
He said he eats Mexican a lot.
Junior doesn't like it. Here comes Ben Jr.
Here comes Ben. He says he's not really a liquor drinker. He's a beer guy.
Nothing wrong with that.
Same here. I heard from my mom.
Oh.
She says several Thanksgivings when we lived in Alaska, I made crab legs and salad and rolls for the meal. Was that when we were living up there? Yeah, with Grandma? Because I don't remember that. I don't remember having crab legs for Thanksgiving.
Maybe you were too much of a youngin', or you were just ungrateful.
Maybe. And my mom says her favorite dinner is her own homemade pizza, which I could attest is pretty good. I need some.
That's fair enough.
HTFG, his favorite din is grilled steak and twice baked taters.
There's nothing wrong with that. Have you ever had twice baked taters? It's really good.
That does sound good. Good taste, Gary. He says liquor currently on a pineapple. Currently on an apple pie moonshine kick.
Oh, right on. You get that, what is it, that Old Smoky? I believe it comes in, you can get it at the liquor store. It comes in that jar.
This guy's always getting rando drinks, and he's like, try it out.
Yeah.
I promise you don't need to chase it.
I've just fried off all of my taste buds with liquor.
Gary says they've been doing Mexican food for the last several Thanksgivings. Tamales, rice, refried beans, margaritas. Gary, can we have Thanksgiving with you?
Can we come to your house?
Yeah.
In good old Tennessee?
In Tennessee. Thanksgiving at Harry Gary's.
Thanksgiving at the Hair Gear's house.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Did not phase at all.
You think that came in on camera?
I don't know. Steve I. He said he's got to go with steak and taters paired with an old fashioned. Because he likes to pretend he's classy.
I've been hearing people throw the term around old fashioned a lot.
Luke Silver freaking Fish.
I bet he's got something serious to say.
Yeah, because you hollered out at him about...
I called you out, Luke.
Yeah, about not being serious. Luke Silverfish says, yes, I really do like pancakes. Especially protein pancakes.
I'm pretty sure I've seen that on the internet somewhere, and you should be ashamed of yourself.
And to answer your question, I'm always serious. I'm as serious as a dad joke.
That's pretty cringy.
Said, favorite meal is a good blue rare steak. You know what he's talking about?
Should I? What the fuck are you talking about?
Well, I know rare steak, but what's blue mean?
Not red. Luke is fucking with you.
Damn it, Luke. Poblano pasta. Well, Poblano's a pepper.
That's a pepper. We know better than that.
I know about a pepper. You got me at the blue steak, but I know about a pepper. He says favorite drink is Patron or Jameson.
That's not bad, if you're being serious.
My weekly question this week. I know we have some international viewers, but due to my limited knowledge, I'm thinking mainly around the United States. As you divide up the United States into different regions, you end up with regional stereotypes, which is true.
I mean, yeah.
I mean, there's, stereotypes about each individual area. For example, down here in the South, everybody thinks that when you want a soda, you ask for a Coke.
That's not true.
It's not true.
No.
My weekly question is, what is a regional stereotype in the area you live that may or may not be true? The one with the Coke is not true. You could mean Dr. Pepper. You could mean Sprite. No, we say Coke. That's not true. I specified the soft
Up
drink.
north, they do say pop, though.
They do say
I've
pop,
fucking
eh?
worked with people who like moved down here from up north.
Well, I've got family up north, and yeah, they say pop.
They say pop, and it's weird.
They're like, hey, can you give me a pop out the pantry?
You just look at them like, is this the 1950s?
So we know y'all are saying pop out there.
We're not saying Coke.
Yeah, but we don't say Coke. We just we call it by whatever it is.
We all do wear tight Wranglers and cowboy hats, though.
Mm-hmm.
It's like in China, or Japan, how you remove your shoes at the door. You remove your Wranglers at the door and you leave your boots on, but you take your Wranglers off over the boots.
Yeah, and everybody got a steer in their backyard.
Yep.
I got a steer. Almost did, dude. It's like horrible weather out, and there's like some fuck asses out right now.
I was on my way home, and this fucking Kojak. I don't know if that's a word. This guy just stops at a green light. He stopped at a green light, like pulled full stop. Like it wasn't like it was red and then turned green. It was green, just full green, and he's just like, I'm gonna stop at this green light.
Dude, I don't know what it is about like inclement driving conditions that just brings out the worst in people. So what regional stereotypes are where you live? Adam, what's your weekly question?
Thundercats or He-Man? I like Thundercats myself, even though the reboot was terrible. Got a preference?
I totally have watched both of those
Oh,
shows.
okay, never mind then. Caleb's out on this week's question. Just pick one. Pick one at random. You
He-Man.
seriously never watched Thundercats or He-Man?
So if you liked and enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, because why, Adam?
Algal Ribbles.
Exactly. And be sure to subscribe to this channel too, because there's brand new videos every Friday and Wednesday. Adam and I are going to be doing some wacky stuff coming up soon.
Woo!
And some of those are even going to be on Friday. So you can get more doses of me and the boy. Click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye-bye!
When Adam waves by, that means we're done.
Dude, yeah, that's a thing.
Hey, y'all, I think the legs for the table should be showing up tomorrow.
You can't see my face.
Maybe. Good.
Gotta rinse this dust off my fingers.